Good morning, guys. Look at that, another foggy morning. All you can hear are the birds. So look at that, all yung street. Past the wall. There you go. Just look at that. Oh my gosh, it's really foggy. So that's the street there. Look at there, you see. And then, wala kang nakita. Usually, may mga bahay dyan. It's foggy and summer is soon coming. Yan, before mag-summer or before mag-winter, nagpo-foggy siya. So, sign ng pag-change ng weather, yung fog. Ingat yung nagbabiyahe or nag-drive. Ayan, may daw. Tadan! Marami na siyang bulaklak. Bulaklak pa lang. Ayan. Ang liit-liit. But I have to make us already. Ayan. Daming bunga. Ang dami ng bunga. But then it's very skinny. And then, some of the leaves out. Wow, see? Wala na. It's coming out. So, yan. Ginawa ko to. And I will let the tomato roll there. Ito yan. I always forget this. What is this one? What is it called? It's... Ano ba katawag nito? And then... Southern side. Oh, diba? I make it like as a wall. So, yan. I cut some of the leaves yesterday. So, yan yun. Yan yung talbos ng kamote. Still very green. At saka may tungkol. So, yan. Ang ganda ng weather. It's like maginaw. But not really maginaw. Cannot really see the other one. There's a car. Kamatis, they are all skinny. Siguro ganyan talaga sila. Oh, sorry. Ito na lang dito. It's okay. Yeah. So, yan yan. extension yan siguro ng park. Extension siguro yan ng school. Yan. So, yan. Patawaran. Daming bunga ng ano ng dates. And dates. So I guess that's it for now. Yeah, I'm enjoying the weather. Like it makes me think of Germany, diba? Yeah. Hi guys! So, naalala ko na yung pangalan ng tanim na to. So, it's oregano. So, I have a lot of this. So, tinitrim ko siya actually. Kasi, bilis niyang lumaki. So, that's why I let it grow sa wall. Ginawa ko siyang parang wall plant. O, diba? So, yan. So, as always, ang bilis nila humaba. My tomatoes. So, yan. Ang haba na tingnan niyo. It's exciting. I wanted to see how it grows sa ginawa kong parang fence na they can crawl. So, ngayon, it's still foggy, but not really foggy, but like, not as yesterday. So, ito siya. Pag hindi foggy, yan ang view. Pero medyo what do you call it? Misty ng konti. Konti lang naman. So, that's how it goes. So, ito siya yung itsura niya pag hindi foggy. So, yan, di ba? Maraming houses. Yan. So, mga villa yan. Isa dyan is, we live for, 5 years sa isang villa dyan, somewhere. I cannot point out which one. So, basta dyan. And then, we transfer dito sa apartment. So, yan yung itsura pag hindi foggy. Diba? You can see far. And now, naalala ko na yung pangalan. It's oregano. Hay, nako. Getting old. Yung memory, you also losing your memory. You gain age and then you lose your memory. So, yan. Ang aking oregano. So, napaka-dusty. And of course, yung tomato ko, they are getting taller fast. So, let's just see na it will bear some fruits. So, yan. Tingnan mo. Yan. It's so tall. Pero, wala masyadong bunga. Or may mga bulaklak siya. Hindi pa siya nabuo. So, let's just see na if they will bear some fruits. So, yan. Yung talbos ko is also just there. May na yan, preserved para sa isa kong kaibigan. So, yan. So, we're going to pass the wall again. So, as you can see, yesterday, sabi ko, I cannot see the metro anymore. So, kasi may building. So, hindi man siya nakikita nga. Yung roof na lang ng metro station, but you cannot really see the train coming and going anymore. So yeah, I'm so sad, but it's okay. So yeah, it's not foggy anymore. Yesterday, hindi mo yan nakikita masyado. But like, that's how it looks when there's no fog. The window is open, the door is open. You can go out if you want. Go! So this is my visitor for this morning, a bird that went inside my house. I wanted him to go out, but wanted to stay here. Go! It's flying around. Ay nako.
Gusto mo pa space pa? Kuha ta space?
So go out. Go out.
Ganatisya ka ba?
There! It went out at last.